ASBM has already emerged as a very strong quality brand among the business schools in India. All the national survey, the popular national survey like Business India, like Competition Success Review, or maybe the Lakshya, everywhere ASBM has been ranked and rated as a top ranking business school invariably because of the quality pursuits. And our target is that ASBM down the line 5 years should get the international accreditation of AASCSB, and our plan is to maintain the quality and to innovate for offering better specializations, the new age specializations to the students. In fact, as I said, that we are the first institute which is being driven by the requirement of the corporate. All our courses are being designed as per the need of the corporate. We are very sensitive towards the user group. No business school can be a quality business school without the support of the corporate houses. And we are fortunate that from the day one, there are n number of corporate houses, those who have extended their support to this business school to make the course and syllabus new age, to make it more job oriented. And today we are offering the sectoral focused specialization in our flagship program of PGDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Management. And down the line, next 5 to 10 years, we would be interested to add many more new specialized areas of business education for the youngsters. And I would like to mention here, recently we have exchanged MOU with St. Cloud State University, which is a state-owned university of United States, to introduce the first program in India that is in management, that is postgraduate program in engineering management. So this engineering management would be a very new upcoming area of specialization in India. The students will be taken through CAT, and 1 year they will spend in India in our campus, and the next year they will spend in St. Cloud State University, and the certification would be given as Master in Engineering Management from St. Cloud State University. We look forward to introduce small short-term programs in collaboration with California State University, San Bernardino. We have already exchanged the MOU, and to my mind, a business school can be a world class through its innovation and creativity. And we believe that every day is a new day, every learning is a new learning, and for us, we benchmark against ourselves. Nobody else is our competitor, rather we are competitors of our own.